how to compare lists using the CountIf formula and some other great nice stuff here. So what I'll do is I'll just select any cell here and press Control T, which will create a table, and my table does have headers, so I'll just accept that, and I go here and make a Control T as well, just because I'm a lazy guy who wants to do it the easiest way. So I have got some columns here. I'll just spread them out so you can better see what I'm having here. So I'll just select here and spread these columns out. So what I'll do is I'll make here a compare value, and I'll go here and say I would like to do the equals text join feature, and I'll go and say I would like to have a semicolon. Let's see, I need to have a quotation mark, semicolon, quotation mark, and then I would like to have my ignore empties, and that should be a false, because I would not like to ignore empty cells. If there's an empty cell, it's pretty important I do get an empty value. So I go here and say I would like to select all the cells next to this one, and I'll make it in parentheses and press enter. And I did something wrong here. Oh, it's because I have false. It should just be false. Oh, hang on a second. There we go, false. And now I should have, what went on here? That was interesting. Now I should have a calculated value here. So I'll just go and copy that. Actually, I'll take the header and the formula here, and I'll go and copy that over here like this. Let's see, I need to work right, so I'll do it once again. Here I go, select the first two cells, Control C for copy, then I need to press Control V for paste, and now I've got the values here. So let's see, this looks wrong because it is the wrong table it's looking into. So I need to go here and say this should be table. No. I'll just make the formula again. I'll go here and say equals text join. Delimiter should be a semicolon, comma, false. I need to use my semicolon. I'm using a Danish version. So it should be false on this one, and I need to go and say my text should be the texts here, and this is called table 2. That's why I did take the table 1. Anyways, now I got my combination values here. So what I'll do, I will go here and say, just to make it easier for you to see, I'll go to view and say I would like to have a new window, and then I go here and say view. I would like to split my windows here, arrange all, and select tiled and click OK. Now I've got these two sheets here. So what I'll do is I'll just select one row here and go to zoom to selection, and I'll do the same over here, one row here, and actually I should have probably one more column here, so I'll just go here and select that one. There we go, zoom to selection. Now here comes the trick. I go here and make the count, and I go here and say equals count if. So equals count if, and I say my range I would like to search is my F column and my E column over here. Let's see, that one. So I'll just select my E column here. Let's see, it should return the range. Why didn't it do that? Oh, it did say EE. But it did not select the other table, which is crazy. Okay, in that case, hang on a second. This one, I'll go to my table information here, table design. This is called table 2. Okay, and this one I guess would be called table 1. Table design. It's the same table. I mean, I have to go to another sheet here. So sorry guys. So I've got my sheet 1 here, and I've got my sheet 2 here. Now it should work. So I go in here and say I would like to do my CountIf. So equals CountIf and I'll go and say I would like my range to be the other worksheet here, the column E. Now it says data 1 equal exclamation mark column E. That's good. And I'll go and say semicolon to select, and I'll select my value here. Should that be a comma? No, it should be a semicolon. Yeah. And then I'll select my neighbor cell here, and I press enter. And actually I will do exactly the same thing over here. I'll go to my F column and say I would like to have my count. Yeah, something like that. And I'll go here and say equals count if, and I say I would like my range to be the range over here, my column E, and I would like to have my semicolon, and I would like to have my next column here, the compare column here, and I'll press enter. Now I have got here a comparance, which tells me that there's one of these in the other list, one of those in the other list, actually two of those in the other list, and zero of that one in the other list. And I can obviously go here and say I would like to sort or just show whichever I'd like. The ones I'm not interested in, I would like to have an OK here. And then I would like maybe to go and sort smallest to largest. These are not present in the other sheet. These are present twice, which could indicate an error somewhere, somehow. And I could go and do exactly the same here and say I would like to have not the ones, and I would like to have smallest to largest. Oh, I did not select the not ones, and click OK. There we go. Now I can see that these four entries are not in the other one, and these are twice in the other one. I hope this makes sense. If not, well, try to catch me again. Have a great day, and well, you can catch me at Kim at access-it.dk, or you can find me under Office Cowboy.dk in YouTube. So there we go. Let's see, I'll just zoom in this a little bit and do like this. Oh, there we go. Kim at access./-it. Kim at access-it.dk or officecowboy.dk in the YouTube channel. Have fun!